Okay, y'all, I'm gonna plan out the rest of my onions. I started them, did a short, but now I'm gonna put the rest of them in. You need to make sure that you have all your roots in the ground. I got some other videos that I loaded. The birds are here making noise. I'm gonna plant them in this bed with these eggplants. I got eggplants, peppers, flowers, and then I put in some basil in here as well. Got the onions here. They all got a good head on them. Soil's dry. We're gonna put them in here anyway. Try to leave enough room for them to bulb up and get big. These are my own starts from seeds. I started these with y'all in another video. I'll link that video up above. Oh, you see, got a whole stack of them. And we're just going to break them apart. See, the roots got root bound, but that's okay. Just going to shake them apart and then push the soil back. And because we have peppers in here and flowers, we're going to put some back here in the back because they'll be fine back there. The eggplant probably is going to shade a bunch of them out. And those are zinnias and they get humongous as well. But we're going to still put them back here. And hopefully they don't bolt, go to seed, which sometimes they do. I tried to save that pepper, but I knew it wasn't going to work, but put it in there anyway. And this is my poblano pepper. Alright, so that is it for this side. And we're going to water these in. Since they're already bulbed up, they should be okay. And that one I planted a little bit too deep, so I'm going to pull it up a little bit. And you want to make sure that you don't plant them too deep because the roots stand up. And then if they start to fall over, then you cut them back. I've already cut these back while they were growing in here, so they'll be okay. But you want to leave the bulbs above ground so that when they start to get bigger, they're not underground because they won't grow well if they are under the ground. So that is pretty much how you plant your onion starts. And some people don't cut them back, but all the videos I watch from experienced gardeners, that's what they do. So that's what I do. I try to learn from other people, stuff I don't know. I'm going to plant the rest of them over here. So I set the camera up, turn it around, and let's plant over here. Let's get the rest of them out. I'm going to save this soil and put something else in here for later. So these all look good. And I pulled up this. It's my avocado tree. I'm going to replant that back in here because I think it's going to grow. So I'm going to put that back there. See what it does. And I'm actually going to put this soil in here. And I'm going to put the onions in the back. On this bed because I'm going to put some squash over here. Can y'all see that? Yeah. I had grubs in this bed last year, so hope they're dead. There was some kind of bug. I don't know what the hell it was, but it wasn't a grub. Hopefully they're gone. I bought some of that. I don't know what that stuff is called for grubs, but I never put it in there because after reading it, just didn't like what it said. I tried an organic garden, so I have it, but hopefully I didn't have that many. The little I saw I dug out. A spider. And onions is a good deterrent for pest control, for bugs. And because I'm going to put my squash in here, I need a rock for that spot right there. I'm losing dirt. The man that built these beds did a piss poor job. But what can I do? Should have built them myself. I will the next time, that's for sure. See if I can get that to grow. Alright, that's it for my onions. I'm going to put squash in here, but I got a couple of peppers. I got a poblano and a banana pepper that I don't want to go to waste. So I'm going to put them in here too. Although I don't need another pepper. But I'm going to put both of them right up here in the front. Put one there. That's the poblano. And this is the serrano. I'm going to put just one in front of the other. And call it a day for those. They weren't growing well because I hid them in them pots forever. And they needed to be moved. So, and I need to plant them flowers. These are morning glories, so I'm going to plant them as well. But these are the rest of the onions. I'll plant it up. Let's pull that one up a little bit. so we can see the bulbs on all of them. They're not too far down. So that's how they're looking. These are the 2 peppers. And let's get some morning glories in here. These are those pots that I showed you guys. I like them. Each one of these, they're easy to pull out. Just push them up, and each one of these has 2 plants. So, bending over is killing my back. I'm getting old, y'all. So, I'm going to put the flowers to bring the pollinators, the good ones. I'm going to put them right there. I don't even know how big morning glories get. We're going to put one in the middle. And each of these cells have 2 flowers. And they're dry, and I mean dry. Put one there. And I said I was going to make this whole bed full of flowers, but I didn't do that. But I got some in all the beds. So, them might be too close together, them peppers. To that morning glory, but they're going to be where they are. Them 2 right there, and them 2 right there, the morning glories. And then them 2 peppers, I'm going to put them 2 somewhere else. I think I'm putting them in my front yard. And then in front of these, I'm going to put a squash there and a squash there, I believe. But I'm going to start them from seeds. So let me go get the seeds, and then we'll be finished with those. This whole bed is full. Okay, I'm going to do this delicata squash, and then I'm going to do 1 zucchini. I'm going to do some more squash in another bed, but I'm going to plant 1 of each of these. I might put 2 just in case they decide they don't want to come up. I don't know why I dug that hole so deep. But I'm going to put 2 seeds in that. Alright. I got squash worms last year, so I'm not sure. Squash bugs or whatever. Vine borers. Both. And then I'm going to put these 2 right here. Cover them up. Pull out the little bit of weeds. Might put a few flowers at the front because I do have some more flowers to plant. But I'm going to water these in real good. It's supposed to get some rain tomorrow. I'm supposed to get some today, and the forecast changed, so hopefully we get some more. And this is rainwater I collected in my barrels. And you need to keep your seeds wet, so make sure they're water good. The rest of it is okay. So that is it. We got this bed all filled up with everything. Next, we'll start working on our pots. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye.